Thank you, AquaDoc, for sponsoring this video.
So this is what most people start off with when they close their pool for the winter, an inflatable pillow. But give them a little time and, well, let's just say some things don't always stay as rigid as we'd like them to. And that's why AquaDoc solved the limp pool pillow problem with these hard plastic buoys. They're the perfect alternative to pool pillows because there is zero chance that these are going to deflate over the winter. Let's back up for a second though. Why do you even need something under your pool cover in the first place? When water freezes, it expands. That expansion builds up pressure that can put a lot of stress on your pool walls, liner, and cover. Traditionally, inflatable pillows were used to absorb that pressure and create a dome shape under the cover, but they pop, leak, or deflate halfway through the season. Nothing's worse than something you need to be inflated going limp prematurely. This AquaDoc pool pillow alternative takes away that problem. Instead of air, you've got a solid heavy-duty plastic buoy that doesn't deflate, doesn't puncture, and stands up to freezing temperatures all winter long. Each buoy has a connector so that you can connect several together and spread them across the pool diagonally. That spreads the pressure evenly and gives the ice somewhere safe to expand. Now, these are mainly aimed at above-ground pool owners since those walls can really take a beating when ice pressure builds, but in certain cases, in-ground pool owners can benefit from them also, especially if you use a safety cover or if you've had issues with cover strain or liner stretching during harsh winters. These buoys add that extra layer of protection either way. When you compare a pillow that goes flat halfway through the season to a solid buoy system that you can use year after year, it's really kind of a no-brainer. So if you're closing your pool and you want something more reliable than a pool pillow, check out AquaDoc's pool pillow alternative. These pool buoys are way more reliable than pool pillows. I'll drop a link below so you can get the right number for your own pool size. If you have any questions about them or anything else pool related, hit me up in the comments. I try to answer every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.